Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your money wisely. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printing with a showdown between two titans, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get layered. Let's start with the most important question. How much do these bad boys cost? Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo comes in at a wallet-friendly $279, whereas the Creality Ender-3 V3 is a little more bougie at $299. That's a $20 difference. With that extra cash, you could buy yourself maybe a couple of decent cheeseburgers or a high-end filament spool. Fancy? Now, if you're as impatient as a kid on Christmas morning, print speed is crucial. The Kobra 2 Neo boasts a maximum print speed of 250 millimeters per second. But wait, the Ender-3 V3 says, "Hold my filament," and cranks it up to 500 millimeters per second. That's twice as fast. So, if you're in a hurry to print out a Yoda head for your desk, the Ender-3 V3 might be your new best friend. Next, let's talk about extruders and cooling. The Kobra 2 Neo has a shiny new integrated extruder and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. Think of it as the Ferrari of cooling fans. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 features a Sprite direct extruder, a 60W ceramic heater, and not one, but two fans for cooling. It's like the Ender-3 V3 is saying, why have one fan when you can have two? When it comes to print quality and stability, the Kobra 2 Neo has linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and resonance. Basically, it's like having a personal trainer for your prints, keeping them in tip-top shape. On the other hand, the Ender-3 V3 has a robust structure with ball bearings and smart algorithms to minimize vibrations. It's like the Ender-3 V3 is doing yoga while it prints. Calm, steady, and precise. Last but not least, user-friendliness. The Kobra 2 Neo features LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling, making it a breeze for newbies. Plus, it has excellent customer service. If you're stuck, just call them up, and they'll help you out. The Ender-3 Volts 3, not to be outdone, offers phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB printing options. It's like the Swiss Army knife of 3D printers. Plus, it has a filament shift sensor and power failure recovery. So if you lose power mid-print, it's not the end of the world. Overall, reviewers find the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo to be a solid choice for its price, ease of use, and decent print quality, although some noted it can be a bit noisy. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 impresses with its speed and advanced features, but some users have experienced reliability issues and found customer service lacking. So which 3D printer should you buy? If you're all about speed and versatility, the Creality Ender-3 V3 might be your jam. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with great customer service, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a fantastic choice. Either way, you're getting a stellar 3D printer that'll make your creative dreams come true. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy printing!